Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can make regular profits with us. Okay, so now let us discuss the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday when we were discussing the market of the gold analysis. Market was trending over here, and we marked this area as an area of short-term support, and this area as an area of short-term resistance, and over this area as well. So you guys can clearly see that market tested our area of support and gave a buying candle over here. So we could have taken a buy entry over here. So this trade would have given us approximately a profit of uh, 1.2%. And once again, market gave us another opportunity to buy from here. So this trade would have given us a profit of approximately 0.7%. Okay, which is again not bad. Okay, so or rather, this trade would have only given us a break-even point. Okay, and afterwards the market mostly remained sideways, or we would have hit a stop loss if we would have sold from here upon a risky selling entry. And even after the retest, still we would be running our trade over from here, and our trade would have not yet even break even. So let me just take that sample trade. uh, I would prefer to stay out of the market. So this trade would have given would be in approximately 0.3%. Okay, so this trade would either still be running would either still be running, or we would have gotten out at a break-even level. Okay, so now let me move the scenarios for the tomorrow's trade in the gold, so you guys can do trading easily tomorrow as well. Okay, so now the support has now shifted a little bit down, as you guys can clearly see. Now this is the area of support, and the resistance area is also this area, or rather this area is now the area of short-term resistance. Okay, so if you guys want to trade, so just be vigilant for these areas, and I hope that you guys will make some good profit tomorrow from these areas. Okay, so now let me move the critical scenarios over here so you guys can have a better idea as how to trade according to the key given on the right hand side of the screen. So, and if you guys want to know anything further, you guys are more than welcome to always let me know anything in the comment section. Okay, okay. So yes, it's something like this. So if you guys want to know anything further, just let me know and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so just follow the given key, this key and these scenarios. If you guys want to know anything else, just let me know. So meanwhile, just click on the subscribe button and also the like button, and do share this video so more people can benefit. Thank you.